Have you ever wondered how the ketogenic diet can benefit you? The ketogenic diet, often simply known as keto, is a unique dietary approach characterized by low carbohydrates and high fats. This distinct combination is purposefully designed to trigger a metabolic state known as ketosis. In this state, rather than relying on carbohydrates, your body begins to burn fat for energy. An intriguing shift, isn't it? So, are you ready to unravel this dietary enigma further? So let's dive deeper and explore the benefits of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is not just a fad, it's a lifestyle change with numerous health benefits. So, what exactly are these benefits? Let's delve right in. One of the most celebrated advantages of the ketogenic diet is its potential for weight loss. This diet works by getting your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This shift can lead to significant weight loss. But the benefits of the ketogenic diet extend beyond the realm of weight loss. Many studies have shown that it can also improve heart health. By increasing the levels of good HDL cholesterol and reducing the levels of bad LDL cholesterol, the ketogenic diet helps to protect your heart. Next up is cancer prevention. Although more research is needed, some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet might help to slow the growth of cancer cells. It's believed that cancer cells thrive on glucose, and since the ketogenic diet drastically reduces glucose levels, it could potentially starve the cancer cells. Diabetes management is another key benefit of the ketogenic diet. By reducing carbohydrate intake, this diet helps to lower blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes, who often struggle to control their blood sugar levels. Last, but certainly not least, is the enhanced brain function that comes with the ketogenic diet. The brain loves ketones, the alternative fuel source your body uses when it's in ketosis. Ketones provide a more efficient fuel source than glucose and have been linked to improved focus, memory, and cognitive function. But remember, while the ketogenic diet has its benefits, it's not for everyone. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. So, the ketogenic diet can be a beneficial dietary choice for many. But as with any lifestyle change, it's important to consider your individual health needs and goals. Like any other diet, the ketogenic diet has its fair share of myths. One common misconception is that it's unhealthy due to its high fat content. But let's set the record straight. The ketogenic diet promotes healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts, which are beneficial for heart health. It's not about gorging on bacon and butter. Another myth is that the ketogenic diet leads to nutrient deficiencies. In reality, a well-planned ketogenic diet can provide all the essential vitamins and minerals. It's packed with nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, fish, and seeds. And while it's true that certain fruits and starchy vegetables are limited, the nutrients they provide can be found in other keto-friendly foods. So don't let these myths deter you from exploring the potential benefits of the ketogenic diet. It's always essential to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's move on to what you can eat on a ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is more than just bacon and eggs. Indeed, the ketogenic diet presents a world of culinary possibilities that are as varied as they are delicious. Let's explore a few meal ideas and recipes that are ketogenic friendly, and that will keep your taste buds excited and your body fueled throughout the day. For breakfast, how about a spinach and feta omelet? This is a protein-rich start to your day. Just whisk together a couple of eggs, add some spinach and feta, and cook it gently in a non-stick pan. It's as easy as that. If you're a fan of smoothies, try a keto green smoothie. Blend together a handful of spinach, half an avocado, a scoop of unsweetened protein powder, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk. This is a refreshing and nutrient-packed way to start your day. Moving on to lunch, consider a chicken Caesar salad. Grilled chicken, crispy romaine lettuce, and a creamy homemade Caesar dressing. To keep it keto, skip the croutons and add some avocado for extra healthy fats. For dinner, salmon with lemon butter sauce and a side of asparagus is a great option. The salmon provides plenty of omega-3 fatty acids, and the asparagus is a great source of fiber. The lemon butter sauce adds a zesty kick and some added fats to keep you in ketosis. And let's not forget about snacks. Try some celery sticks with almond butter or a handful of macadamia nuts. These are high in fats and low in carbs, making them perfect for the ketogenic diet. There's also a wealth of keto-friendly desserts out there. How about a bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of unsweetened whipped cream? Or perhaps a slice of keto-friendly cheesecake? Yes, you heard that right. Cheesecake on a diet. As you can see, there's a wide variety of foods you can enjoy while on the ketogenic diet. No matter your culinary preferences, there's a keto-friendly dish out there that you're sure to love. Remember, the ketogenic diet is not about deprivation. It's about finding the right balance of nutrients that works for your body. So get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the journey to healthier living. In summary, the ketogenic diet offers a myriad of health benefits. This unique dietary approach, based on high-fat and low-carbohydrate intake, has the potential to revolutionize your health and wellness journey. From boosting brain function to promoting weight loss, the ketogenic diet is a powerful tool for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. We've also debunked some common myths about the ketogenic diet. It's not just about consuming fats, it's about consuming the right kinds of fats. And while it might seem daunting at first, with the right guidance and information, it can be adapted to suit your individual needs and preferences. Furthermore, we've shared some fantastic meal ideas and recipes to bring the ketogenic diet to life in your kitchen. From succulent meats to fresh vegetables and even some delightful desserts, a ketogenic diet doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste or variety. But remember, it's essential to approach the ketogenic diet, or any diet for that matter, with a balanced perspective. It's not a magic bullet, but rather one piece of the puzzle in achieving overall health and well-being. It's also crucial to listen to your body and adjust your dietary habits as necessary. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet can offer significant health benefits when properly implemented and maintained. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and individual needs and responses can vary. Remember, before starting any new diet plan, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to your health.